So my people, we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So we have Shebada come out and rush Rosealee and the whole of them and make the people them know say yes, mackerel have more ambition than the whole of them TikTokers here. You see me? And people and like a mackerel do things in a silence and then show our result. You see me? I say we also have blinga my people. You see me? Come like any them a hot blinga head. You see me? It's like any them must a hot blinga head or any them a, you know what I mean, throw a word at blinga and blinga decide to come out and respond to them. Because blinga have some things to say about people and I'm gonna make you hear where she have to say. You know what I mean? We also have Rosealee come out for Shay my people and I think Tik and me remember who else, you see me? And D right now they are miss her husband my people. You see me? D miss the big hood. Yeah my people, D miss the big hood. D can't find no man to replace her husband. You see what I say? So right now, it's like D frustrated. So I'm going to make you hear what D have to say. You see what I say? So make we get in at the people. So these are the things we have to share with you. And maybe add more as we go along.
Willing for follow you go up there. I'm willing for follow because the CD woman too bright for show come. They tell us that she come and she talk about she lose weight and she come and she pretend in front of her 2 days straight. I got gym. Nothing wasn't, but when they tell us that Rosealee ain't gonna do shit. I told you guys that. I said all of this is unnecessary because she ain't gonna perpetuate. What I do? When I say my bad mind, I see how some moderator them say no man, I like this beer. Me have time for like this. Me not like this. I don't like this. But me I don't like what we're coming like queens. Eh? You see me now, you don't see me after. That coming like queen, my love. You could have never bank and say, yeah man. I could have never bank. Me tell you that's all Rosealee do. Come on the internet and manipulate you with situations. The founder don't know what manipulating is because of the relationship built on manipulation. So they can't even identify it in a relationship, so only identify it by the internet. You understand me? If Rosealee is a girl that living in such position, this is what are like, you know. If she live in another position, then who is Rosealee to sit down now and tell Tiki how to live? If Rosealee know exactly say Tiki not gonna make it in America if you continue like this, you think she gonna make it on a sea view living like that? Rosealee need 15,000 US dollars for move. Rosealee don't have nothing to put in a truck first and foremost. Rosealee don't have nothing to put in a truck and nobody now gonna rent Rosealee them place. After being on the internet, living like that, make it make sense now people. Come on! Anywhere Rosealee are gonna live. She can't. And it's can't for buy furniture. Them want to say the internet are gonna take up for them $15,000 a year. Me want to see this from heaven to earth because me know say $15,000 for buy one next vehicle for run taxi. Me now ask her Rosealee know or forget the liquor, the fifth element then. She know forget the fifth element. Me now ask her now and she go sit down right there chair and ready for move. Rosealee go move go where? Who go rent Rosealee at them place? Tell me the truth. When police come see how Rosealee live, who are going to rent Rosealee them place? Who are going to rent Rosealee them place with them 2 demon ball plus a man with full assist? Who? And it's just the truth. Who are going to rent Rosealee them place knowing that this girl is very nasty, loud and vulgar? Who? Me know so because she able to take money. Me know And that. Then only knows Rosealee in this a long time. Me I tell you this, I not believe me. Jayden she ate. She can't stomach Jayden. Rosealee the one that look funny stance tonight. I said, can't wait for prize name. No, it's true. But when time people tell me, say Rosealee fall right off. Rosealee fall off, fall off, fall off, fall. And none of us say Rosealee fall off. None of you. Remember when Real Dog fall off, remember say, come on guys, where's the corn? Where's the corn? Where the corn them there with the anat? I'm gonna take them sheet out of the machine and put it in some next time. The amount of sheet when me a wash. I know the amount of towel when me wash. I say well I'm gonna take out how much sheet out of the washer, the washing machine. And I say I put in how much sheet a while ago people. And when I look behind me I close that me say. You know, say I should just pay somebody $15,000, $100 for washing me. I should just pay somebody $100 for washing me. And the white one, them not even ladder yet. I don't know. You have to ladder them, they put them down for about 3 months for soak. Nikki go to Zoa Pinch. Ask Miss Jay for help me, Jayatas. Jayatas, my love. People business she use and stay relevant. Yeah, her gift to them, I blame. They are the ones, no? It's not really a gift either because people can make gift out of nothing. Let me say this to you. Try Oxy. Alright, me try Oxy. Yeah. Rosealee and Triple are the same thing. Them go on like them own the internet. Nobody know to come on the internet and create for them own a thing. Them have to lean towards them. She run go over there a class sticky when Shay argument did that. Remember Rosealee never in a Shay argument, you know. Remember it wasn't Shay and Rosealee, you know. Shay and Rosealee done long time, you know. A DD, Gremlins.
People, Shebada. Me don't know if you really understand the internet, you know, like Tik Tok basically. Me don't know if you understand Tik Tok. You see me? Yeah, the internet did a social media platform there on the internet, but none of them is like Tik Tok. Tik Tok, to me, I one of the first. Not really to me. Tik Tok, I one of the first app them where you can make money pan certain way where the people them flock where people make whole heap of money. You see me I say, so you see TikTok is the devil's playground, my people. Me I tell you now, TikTok are the devil's playground. You see nobody on TikTok, me can't take them as person were real and genuine. You know what I mean? Everything what them do is to just put out a facade out there, put out an image, put out a character out there. Seeing the ones that we act like them good, them don't good. And the one them when we are going mighty and show them dirty colors, them worse than the colors where they were show. I just that me see. Like them we do anything for the highlight and the money certain way. And people, me not put nothing past them. The whole of them are the same thing. TikTok are the devil's playground and a pure devil over there. Me I tell you now, me go watch some more people.
Which is skydive, man. Bro, dad, bro. Bro, son, yeah. Them, you understand me and Shay, where Rosealee come from in the argument? She insert herself. Them girl ain't have no this. And nobody now say go put on drawers when you're sitting in the sofa. Suppose somebody come and rest them face in the sofa. Obviously nobody now come look for you doing now. But suppose you Pickney Dem catch the key back. And the spotlight I kill them. Nobody nothing in the spotlight. And the spotlight I kill them. Spotlight a crippler bad. It's a crippler. And she have the answer to everybody and don't have the answer to herself. People may come back on later, I want done wash, I want done cook, I want done do everything. So I can come back on later and chill, bill and take a pill, we don't know. She come again on the visa. She come on the visa. Me I come back on later. Jayden and Italian say Rose have one cent. But she Rosealee make Jayden pass her in a good sense. You know, Italian say Rosealee can't drive on the AC. But you think say you could have tell me say Rosealee could have drive on the AC. You know, so when tell me Rosealee go out with the rice sweetness. You know, see Rosealee look like she come from fish ground. You could have really tell me in the bucket cap, Rosealee look like she have a scale pan her and she no mermaid. Then you could have tell me say Rosealee have no sense. Then me no know what to do. Me not too get up and know say girl who have certain weight and look certain way stink. Me not too get up. Remember saying me born and bred in the ghetto when number 1, number 2 and number 3 I work for me or when feeling fresh then I go on. Okay, so now Rosealee could have really stung in our house. Let me tell you something, people don't know say body odor not come, so let me say this about IG. Just let me say something about IG. When no for one girl never know say the reason why someone smells on the pH balance off. You understand me? You see when you eat certain food, I don't want to say chemical, because I want to give a nice word. This is seasoning and something come out in your urine, your feces, and your perspiration. You didn't know that? Now, if it come out in your urine, perspiration, feces, it simply means that your body will tell you it's time for your detox. You never know? So my question is this now. To all our other girl out there where take cocky, because me know the runnings in taking cocky. You run go wash out your hole when the man just come, and you run go wash out your hole before you and the man, as you and the man for grind. That's it, keep down the scent. I like period. Once you see blood you wet up your hole, it cannot stop because so the man can name it for 5 seconds. Yeah, but nevertheless, we're not comfortable about that. We're comfortable with the girl that will wipe out them hole before them sit down on hold. You don't know say after 2 ramming, you can't smell your crotches green. Or you smell your crotches rank. Or you smell your crotches mowly. And depending on what infection you have and how far the state you can smell all the room stink, ivany. You never know. Oh, you never know that. Okay. A water for wash out crotches, you know? A fresh water for wash out your hole. Fresh water for wash out your big hole. So we know all of them still and them attack. Them don't know about themselves. So we don't even go look on them. Punani come with it own a pum pum order. You understand me? So it's winter you don't do what you have, when you don't shower now already for God. Get your front now. Your punani is supposed to taste fresh. But you don't know that. Someone like too much salt in the diet, so it have a ring. Lord Jesus, I don't know where I'm going in the trip I'm out from. But nevertheless, moving right along. You understand me? They don't know if them have infection. A man have to tell them. A man have to say, my girl, who did that scratch me now? Yam peeling at your wall. Yeah. Them girls don't know when them have infection, none of them. They know that they could have slung on leather from sunrise till sunset and argue with me and tell me say me infected. Rosealee now, because me got a doctor right now, them keep you back. If me and Rosealee go one local clinic, them admit her. Anyhow me, Rosealee, Jakes, Rosealee, Pickney Dem go one local clinic, them admit them. And say, Shebby, thanks for bringing them. You never know. Pure honey, you never know. Rosealee knows so they eat and the dust. And she not have no light, but Shebada never sweat yet. Why me should have sweat when I position myself to the grill? I mean get the first breeze. Tell the people them why you are sweat, your house dirty and you not have no light. You see the difference though people and only one with it. But here me never see my sweat yet pan him live. Huh? What you say? No window. No ventilation system. So me not understand. You never seen sweat yet. Them boy have AIDS and dirt and eat and have no bulb, have no light. I beat you, everybody a bridge light. How you not bridge the light? Lock up in the big stinking house. And the fan is white and the face on you so full of dirt will make it black. And you really don't know man. Me know said God gonna do something soon. I think time God do something and get rid of Rosealee. The whole of now go remember Rosealee. The whole of now go remember Rosealee. And she must sit down and argue with people. People! Which part Shay sit down and do live and this so she sleep? Hello? Whether Shay want to sleep in a one rocking chair, it is clean, the area is clean. It's undeniable. The area is clean. I tell you say, you don't have to be rich. You just have to be tidy. No care what kind of filter Rosealee put her life under. You still have to sweaty, husky, musky and dusty. And people depend, yeah Rose, bust it up. Tell her that whether she sleep in a chair or them sleep on top of one another like tin food, clean up your surrounding. Because even a little while where you sit down, you look dull. You look dull and make your paint. And your phone can't go if you can't do the ceiling challenge. You can't do the ceiling challenge. You can't. She thinks she's a celebrity.
Alright, my people. So, you see, me not really put down nobody still, you know. But me just give my opinion on the whole situation about Rosealee and if she smells stink or whatever. Seeing, you see, me as a slim person, if me not take good care of myself, anybody at all in this world, if you not take good care of yourself, you're gonna smell. You see me? But you see fat people, all when them take good care of themselves, them still have to smell. You know why? Them have a lot of creatures upon them. Them have a lot of creatures, if I say you call it. See? And all when them just bathe, if them not wipe the creatures properly, you see me I say, and bathe often, them are going to carry a odor. You see me I say? Yes, them are going to carry a look of odor, like, you know, have to be stink, you know. If them, as me say, if them take care of themselves and bathe on a regular, wipe the creases dry, you see me, them now going to carry that, you would say strong odor there, but them are going to have a little odor same way. Them have to use a lot of deodorant and something for mask some of the natural scent where them have. You see me, hear me say natural scent, that means, I don't know, bad odor certain way now. Them just have a little scent because them fat and them have creatures with sweat. And once you sweat, that will cause a little frowns in this. Your clothes are going to look away and you don't know what I mean. Seeing in the city where Rosealee I sit down every day. Nothing stink like a couch if you sit down in there on a regular and sweat. You see me I say? Because if you're in a hot out, people, I don't have to explain all of this to you. So I don't know say maybe the youth them never there tell her like say she have a order and whatever. But she need to do something. You can't fat and lazy. You cannot fat and lazy. You see me I say? Remember me tell you that I go equal nasty and then that I go equal frowns and all different type of things. Me not bash Rosealee or nothing, but the officer them run in and video her place. She feel make that be the wake up call for her to do better certain way. You know what I mean? But let me know what you think, me people. Because me not really look, when me see her on live most of the time, me not see she not look like say she not beard and them way there. Most of the time when we see her on live, it look like say she hold her fresh and come on live. But let me know what you think. We watch some more.
And that she thinks she's a celebrity. She ain't no celebrity. But one thing I know she fall off. We kid we do. Rosealee fall off. You know somebody will fall off. And I hold on up on a trend. And I look up at everybody. Tiki, I make it now. Yeah. Bike burn you fall off. You not have it like Jayden for fall off and just a float. So you not have it, you fall right off. You repeat yourself for the same cuss phrase. Everybody you and them catch up a Batman, and Jake send out a youngie. Jake send out a youngie such a the guy hairdresser, and Shanta here one Pearline. You can imagine Jake send out a young girl got hairdresser, and your daughter here one Pearline here. There's a rain. There's a rain. Your daughter want ear oil. And people don't see that for tell you, but your sister Shay run the fair one and Jake's a care out young for your money. Jake's a care out young for your money when they tell people say Shay run the fair one for live a sodomite life, and that is a good thing. You can't manage that you're selfish. Run leave it in somebody's hand. Then how will Shay do fair Pickney where Rosealee mother never do her? And me would about to talk about it, you know. Every time if I talk about it, me that cry. Look pan gave away, a cause gave away. Look pan give away, a cause give away. I couldn't argue with no. Me can't. Somebody call me dentist for me now. Of course she take her mother man and then come back and fix it. And shame. She took her mother's man and then shame and come back and fix it. You talk about Tiki cannot live anywhere. Rosealee, you get the simplest part of life. You get a quarter room for manage and you can't manage it. Look how you leave it. Remember you don't even get a full room. You get a quarter room and you can't manage it. You pick the matter out of your eye. Then Sky Diamond and Destiny begs over $100. Who could have begged me send on the 2 bills, you know? Who could have begged me send on the 2 bills, honestly? No biggie. Who could have begged me send on the 2 bills? I'll come from a program and I beg it for now. Well, no mash up the union. And Shay not come yet. We need back that solidarity. Remember Shay not come yet in a waffle chatter. So why them vex already and Shay not reach? Shay not even book the flight. Shay only book the body. I told them that Dolly mix up said Shanta and Barbara want be, but them never believe me. Them say me too out of order. Yeah, I said Shanta and Barbara want be, so the whole of them mash up there now. And then me for listen to them and make them tell me things. and say, no man, tell your friend the truth. Rosealee, I tell you the truth because me and Shay is no friend. Me and Shay is no friend. Me and Rosealee are friend. Rosealee tell me say she idolize me. I never watch none of my plays then yet. Me don't know how she work out that. You understand me? Rosealee never see me in action yet and say, you know you're my idol. That's what she told me. So me and she are more friend. So when she come on it and say, you're not telling your friend the truth. Rosealee, I'm telling you the truth. But you're not listening. You're focusing on Shay. Who is Shay? Police. And your hole is too big of a hole for you more than grown up a little boy. And there is a 5 jacket you alone push out, 5 or 6. Then Annie, you tell me the truth. All of your Pickney Dem a big man and big woman. And you depend Annie, you look for big great granny. So when you get or you get musical instrument in a grinding, can you feel anything from a little boy?
Well, maybe tell you something, Shebada, because I don't know if you know this still. But you see, Annie something, it can lock up back, man. It can get back to a tight version of itself if you not really use like that. You see me I say, and on a level, you know where the little boy I carry. And some of the time, I know at something that make the woman them go and say, you know, and nice, it's sweet them. You see it, a youth not have a monster something, you know, but the girl them love the monster thing them. But a youth not really have a monster thing. Him have to just know if he use. Not say him go have one little beanie something, you know. He can have a average thing and him know how to use it. I know how to work himself and I make a woman come. You understand? So I just sometimes I owe you work with your thing. Let me know what you think, my people. I watch some more. You know what? We'll watch a little bit more and move on. Yeah.
No, Rose never seen it in a real life, for true, Sister Winnie. Rosealee never seen me yet in a real life, you know, but she talk a lot about me though. That's what I tell people say. You see when I talk, I don't believe, but you don't want to promote nobody, I don't give nobody exhume certain things. Enough things I know in the people, enough. Enough I don't know, so I know a whole heap of people. But keep it this one. Yeah. She talk like she my neighbor. Rosealee never see me yet in her life. You know, see Rosealee come tell me to touch the child never see me yet in her life. She come tell me to say my spotty and my skin sorry. Remember Rosealee talk? Remember Rosealee tell you say my skin sorry. You never know. Like me and her did BFF. Remember she come and she said, we never see Shebada yet. Shebada's skin sorry. Them boy you have AIDS. Them boy you are rotten away. And nobody now rotten like in a Rosealee house. And I remember, me think we go to school together, our class, you know, different level class. Go school together, then me and Rosealee go in a class. This is Scorpion say we take PE.
Them ban it and as student get one chance to come on live I mean dunk pan. As he get one chance to come on live I mean dunk bunk pan. For them in I use Bigfoot Europe. Because from realize say me I argue with a girl and everything. Remember saying up people, me not supposed to argue with Bigfoot Europe, you know. Cause me make them girl buy and me make them girl know for change them far. Me not supposed to argue with Bigfoot Europe. Cause me make them girl know for beard and change them far. I mean, them girls know so them for be and change them far. And I cure them girls got the grocery store, you not see what them I walk with. I mean, make them girls go for people picnic and say I feed them picnic. I mean, make them girls wash Queenie ear and do it. Me have them girls upon my little finger. Them girls I'm do as I say upon the net. Me not argue with illusion girl. She over there tell King Queer say Jakes have a woman name a Maxil name Kim. Then Bigfoot Europe if Jakes have a woman a Maxil name King. How that affect you? Me want to know if Jakes have a woman named King. All the fuck that and I call in again my king now. You know what pure lie on the company internet come tell blood clot people. Pure blood clot lie. I mean I got argue with a Bigfoot Europe cause upon a regular day you don't even have 300 people I watch cause it's nobody more than a load of shit. So when I come later, Kim supposed to yam me money. Kim supposed to yam my money. It's like how Queenie have to feed Shay, I saw me have to feed Kim. It's the same like how Queenie Shay have to feed Queenie, I saw me have to feed Kim. Me not see nothing wrong with that. I don't see nothing wrong with that. Remember, Shay have to feed Queenie. You have to feed Queenie. So nothing wrong if me feed my mate. Me not say nothing wrong feed for feed. Remember you send for your girl to come spit in your stinking hole. So nothing wrong if Jakes take my money go mine Kim. You are mine a girl and him a mine a girl. Me not say nothing wrong with that and the man in my mind. Me not say nothing wrong with that. Because true what you come at about, yes, I me called CD, I'm gonna look for your ugly blood clot. Me not remember your bitch. Me not remember your dog bed. Me not remember you. Me not remember blood clot you. Because from Queenie come out and tell people them say, Rosealee all call her mother just remember say the something what themselves she feel up look girl is just the truth. Me no remember your Bigfoot Europe. Bigfoot girl, me no remember your ugly girl, me no remember your sad girl, me no remember you. I had the only girl who come on you and Tik are the only person me see on TikTok. Look, me not put no allegedly. That's why she run. I and Tik are the only person who see on the net live illusion. One life that is not there. So Jake's supposed to mind anybody where he want blood clot mine. Yeah. Don't make that worry you. Worry about your bitch where you have a feed side of you. And make me worry about Kim where I go get mines. Me say worry about the bitch where you have to feed the dog. Shay if you go worry about the dog Queen with the side I watch have to go feed and make me worry about Kim. That's unfair, chat. TikTok isn't that fair? Worry about the dog where they side the way I got feed, make me worry about Kim. Yeah. I'm only not gonna do this cause something me a blood clot look. When me a look gift pan board, me a look gift pan board. Yes. Make me worry about Kim. Cause pure lie you walk and tell on social media. Pure lie. You walk and tell pure blood clot lie. Pure lie. Cause one at a time all along my thing say the car seat were in our house, Queenie is sit down upon it. Outside our Queenie there. It can't even hold Queenie night. What up chat. Can't blood clot but I come here and I go do this. You miss me one gift. You miss me.
Down the blood clot. Right, Rosealee.
Well, my people, Rosealee have to just accept say GX is a celebrity I know. You know what I mean? Because of she and the girl them go want GX too. Just like how a girl can take a mackerel man from her. be careful, a girl can take a few man from you. But if I just round the town in the community, him there, I don't feel say the girl never got able to take him from you. Because right now I am the richest girl in the circle. You see me I say? So I know say Jackson I left you for no girl. So upon the level you know for yourself. And him not up on TikTok like that where girl can jump in him DM. So you see for Rosealee, you don't worry about nobody where I say the man have woman. You see me? Are you him come home too? You see it, people make me know to think we watch some more.
I got top sister.
Me the writer, so to me tell them say Chev want suck my pussy. Chev the one eat up all. Yeah, me tell Tiki. Me tell Tiki, and me not tell her like Rosealee. Me swear upon my mother and father like.
Me know, big one, me know, big one. Big one, big one, me know you like long time. Before you tell a lie, you no answer.
Me not tell her like Chef did want eat up my body hole and only want me for fuck him no blood clot. Nicholas argue with me right now. She not stop beg me for fuck her. She even offer me money
So
for fuck her.
come here, friend. Come here, friend.
Oh, where are
Friend, come here. Then me feel say grind, Trev.
No, Rosealee, me not tell her like me and him never going in the compromise position there. He just tell me say more eat up my body. Jesus Christ, big one the body biggie. Me that make you sit down in my face. And him invite me over in blood clot shop. Me Trevor nasty boy, you know. You know the people nothing I'm from Chev. Trevor nasty boy.
My page.
Trevor one nasty body boy. He will tell me for do. Come over and stop. He might tell me for come over him shop. Where I sell him cake and him sweetie them. And come out and make him jam out my back.
What?
The goat report
my blood clot down. And when him sister me not entertain him, me invite him and me yard and him come
and he get banana.
Blood clot, man. Me don't understand them about him, man. Rosealee, every day them fuck me and say go big one have AIDS. Me have AIDS, you know. Chat, me have AIDS, but it not show up on my body. Me have the sickness and them have the blood clot symptoms. Me have the sickness and them have the symptoms. Me have the
Hold on, big one.
Yeah.
You gotta tell me say Trev do so much nonsense and I sell sweetie for people with it.
Every single day them come here go big one you have AIDS. Here's the body big one.
Big one and that me have talk about big one. Big
one. What me Rosealee, listen when me I say to you.
Listen when me I say me know why you about that.
Thank you, baby.
I'm not give you nothing. I am asking. Every Trev want to eat out your bottom and I want to sell the internet sweetie.
Of course, Trev the one your mama body. Of course, Trevor and your mama.
And that's what me say I'm sweetie. I'm glad me never buy no.
Of course, Trevor eat out my body. And if I tell you I beg God strike me with a lightning right now.
Body man. God. Body man. I tell you no run from body man, you know. I tell you no say a while ago I tell the body man I come.
I eat out my wall. I'ma say no. I'ma say me I Rosealee even have them this with my friend. But you see when you know say the day I go come him I go come cuss me. Me that bow out in blood clot. Yeah. You know me didn't know the day I go come him I go come cuss me. Me that make him yam it. Yeah, me should have make him yam it and poison blood clot.
Not different page must not look like so they look like this to get banana to mess up our different page.
You should get banana yesterday. Me and I get banana with a black kid.
She come look problem with me and then report my page.
Did I report the page, Can?
I don't think. Cause she report my page.
Did I report the page? She attack she report it.
What the fuck you tell me say? You know where she fucking do? Look how much time she class bomb and Barbara and Shan blood clot tell. I am man. I'm here kick off for more time. I call the Pickney Dem name. We know the blood clot what we do.
Alright, done the argument. Come here, tell me she blood clot report that me say a she report. We are tell me say.
You have a blood clot pick up here because you have blood clot with her. And she can't be a bad.
She can't talk anything what she want to talk about the
place. I want a big friend them.
What does it do with me? Everybody class me, everybody class me too. I say you see me a fuck. Then you alone do it, you shall do it.
Friend them.
I try your friend them. You want to class me. I want somebody to say class me. Me say, I want somebody to say class me and go deep, a big one. You can't tame neither. So we have chat say.
Exactly, so that me say I a big friend. So not tell me nothing.
My friend, I'm a old.
I'm your friend.
I'm a friend, I'm a old. No busy way you want to say. No busy way you want. Me say, can you go on to hear a big one I say?
If it does that.
Come here now, go blood clot do this today. Big one way I say.
Well, that's the blood clot. They got delete TikTok. That me I say. They got delete TikTok. They got left it give them.
You have to do it behind me back. Threesome with your personal woman? Oh, why men make you look like they do threesome with them personal woman? They don't do it with them personal woman, not true. Aside girl, they do it with. And that bun me. It bun me up. You have to do it. I chew your woman, I go pray up it chew. You understand? No girl can draw me out and no boy can draw me out and none of them get no chance to say, oh, me the media, this and that and a reality. Now go happen, now go work. My rather than look and everybody, when me notice, and me, the people them hot for. When I say me pop down and me water down and me this and me that. So wanna do. Wanna call for me name for. Wanna try to do all of them something for. Like make that make sense. Me not interested. Uno no in a me league. Uno no depend me level. Uno no in a different category from Uno. I could have done at the ground category me there. Uno the upper top. Stay up there. I will stay down the ground. Me no sooner. Me no watch you know. Like, make this make sense. Me a 44-year-old. And for 44-year-old, me know something look nice. Me no need none of it tell me. You know see me all the time I go through the airport. Right now, them need to give me a room in the sky. Or my own plane. Me can't sit down and catch feelings over fuckery and foolishness. Because I don't know say a foolishness and fuckery that. The app is insipid to me. The app is insipid to me. Me not have no interest in to bring no fuckery on my platform. Me not uno go and go review it. Uno say uno review case to come take uno thief everything blinga do. Everything blinga do uno thief it. And I don't say anything because me a leader. The app insipid. The app insipid. The app is not nice anymore. I be a fuckery I go on pan the app. And the things that we are going on the app, they are real.
Alright my people, I want to know if you agree with Blinga. Tell me in the comment section if you don't agree with what Blinga say. Right? And here again my people. I don't feel like say like more to give me a percentage the things them we are going on TikTok if it real or I don't feel like say a makeup thing. Put in the comment section let me know what you think or what some more.
They are real and I don't like the foolishness, so this is why I don't touch those topics and I'm afraid of nobody. The Tik situation, it's not healthy. It is not good. It is not, because Tiki situation is very serious. You understand? A lot of people jump on Tiki wagon just to get clout and hype and platform. Everybody knows that anyway they mix up there, that's the crowd there. We all know that. But me I go tell you something. I sit down on social media and see people get shot and dead. Me see people do live and people come and shoot them and kill them. That not nice. Me no want to review them there. Them their corruption. Them their evilness. Those things are from the devil. I don't want any part of that. I don't want any part of that. So when I come talk about blinga and review this and review, I don't have the time. A lot of the next situation them, people just do it for views and prank. Not prank, views and hype. Because at the end of the day, they're still going to be in the position that they're in. Trust me, people, let me tell you this. Uno has a nether set of rascals because uno support it too. Uno are the next rascal too because uno support it. Uno feel like say, remember I know. Look at this. Look at this. When you come on social media and you're going through a situation and persons ask, and you're asking for help and persons come through to help you. When persons come through to help you, they help you because they know you don't have any money and you need it. Now I hear a foolishness I say, oh, Tik owed Nurse Brown $10,000. Why would Nurse Brown put himself in a position for Tik to owe him $10,000? Wanna read between the lines and do the maths. Y'all are some hypocrites. People don't do things without reason. You understand? Now it is alleged that he wanted whatever he wanted, so yes, he's gonna spend his money. But he should know that Tik doesn't have $10,000 to pay him back. So this is madness. All of this is madness. These people will do anything for the fucking clout and the hype and the fame. You guys need to put in your 2 cents and your opinions in situations like this. Trev was always there. Trev was always there. Remember Trev always over Perry. He used Tik. But you see, Tik do not understand. I don't know if I understand Tik don't understand the assignment. But he used Tik for a platform. Which I don't think anything is wrong with that. But the things that he's doing, they are unacceptable. The things, Trev, the things that you're doing to Tik, stop it. Stop it. And if nobody is not going to tell you, I'm going to tell you. And everybody know I'm the queen. I don't have to look hype off. None of you know. Sometimes I don't even want, I don't know when to send me requests. But you need to stop. You need to stop. Tik can always be in love with him because Tik is young and Tik is in love. And everybody know when you're young and in love, what's up? Stop it, Trev. Stop treating Tik like he's a nobody. No. I'm hearing about immigration this and immigration that. Now, really make this make sense. So when people not get what they want from people, they want call immigration from them. Tell me, how you sit down as, how you as wanna be? Yeah, that day.
Oh people, we forget to address this, right? The video with D seeing too much like music in the background, and right now me never have no sound to put in the background to drown out the music we're in the background. So that's why me cut it short. Is it? So let me know. You know what I mean? Want to think about this bling situation or bling and say, boy, you know what I mean? Where, this and that. And the youth where him and Tik are going with themselves. Like, people, you see these persons, like, as far as the community, I don't know which community me attack, right? It's like, me don't know how them, like, love call immigration from people, so. When I born to see a set of people love call immigration from people, and they were once more say them can get sent home. Yes, some of them can get sent home back. The ones them wanna win them thing, them can get sent home back. But the one them where get the asylum or whatever, them now go, them can't get sent home no matter what. Them do. You see me I say? They can't get sent home. You see it? But I don't like the idea there. The least little thing them go call immigration for somebody. Come on. You see what I say? Cause me know say uno don't like to get sent home back a phone yard. So why you don't want to see somebody else get sent home back? Although them say anything goes in a love and war. You know what I mean? But let me know the think we watch some more with people.
How to sit down and allow these things? None of them talk up. One of them afraid if you talk, or afraid that people are afraid to somebody go black, you know? You can talk, and then when them come for you no answer them back and you get a platform. As for me, them can't come for me, because all when them come for me not look, because number one, me and police never there. So I don't care what no one say, and that's the only thing one can tell me. And that's still news, and I have to come with something new. You never was in his clothes. Send a request and come ask me anything you want to ask me. Thank you, Shiza and Mila. Everybody, thank you. Anything you want to ask me, send a request. That is it, Shana. I must tell you the God Almighty truth. I must say Shana understand the assignment and understand what me the blood clot do. And let me say that was a mistake from hell. That's why I'm not sorry for nobody anymore on the app. Me not do it because me go too far. Just to pick up them badness, give them platform, this, that, and the third. No one come mix me, nice, clean girl, me, with them the bumper ass clad garbage there. You're crazy. Gonna stop it. Stop it now. Stop it! I don't give too much trouble. Behave on yourself, man. Give too much trouble, man. Anyway, listen again. Now, for the one when he am dummy, don't you we understand, because female girl fuck on him, so him a moan. 6 now, me understand him too. But dummy now. Dummy, I never diss you yet. Thank you, Doris. I'm going to tell you this, him can't keep the clout because them are wicked and them are liar and them are wicked and them are liar because a whole heap of line come tell for me and you see him one sit down and listen. But when he come and did that talk and I do apology, you never hear that. But you now look something to sink me, I try to tell you, say, you cannot sink me. Nothing or nobody on the media can sink me. Me have my own life too, you know. Me have my own life too and problem because all of we out here are go through something. So you can't stay there. A lot of us out here that you see on the media, we're going through something. I am going through something, it just not on the media. I mean I put it on the media. And anybody when me see carry come put it on the media, maybe me do a one answer, maybe not. Chad, thank you. Me don't know why the life goes. Oh, yeah. everything up on the media. But for me business that up on the media. Uno never see it. Remember when I said me not married. Okay, fine. Me not have to married, but I no phone business that. Yes, Stacy. I know, remember, me not have to married, like what Una say, but me I tell you, say, me still have the lynch by my blood clot name. So here we go on. If anyone that Una feel like Una can get my husband, take him. Take him. What me I go to dead? Me I go dead? Me I cry? But me, I go tell you one thing. Prepare to put up with me. Prepare to put up with me. I have 5 kids. So how that's a go. Me couldn't even bother with that the problem. Them love you crazy. You're crazy. If my husband don't want me, him don't want to neither. Una go have problem because he might take out his phone and watch me. I when him no want me. No. Me sooner draw me out from the other day, me see it. But wanna draw me out for? Me not interested. Me never own that demand yet in a real life. Never. Any man me have, no girl can take him. From the day me know myself and I have man, no girl never take none of my man them yet. Never. Never. Me take on myself and sit down over one place, over one part, or no take on my big page. Me can't log in on my next big page. Me depend on a little page, I ease myself and a normal out and still a trouble me. Now, dummy, listen to me now. Me not have luck with abusers. Cause my husband never licked me yet. My husband, him never put him on for me yet. So dummy, me not have luck with man will abuse woman, and you is a man that abuse a female. Now, me never, you know, some never trouble you, dummy. Dummy, you don't make no blood clot sense. Everything you try it now work. Dummy it now work. I'm gonna tell you why it go. What's now work now? Anytime that somebody with me never trouble me live to see them. Dummy, you have to team up with 6 and Donia. I don't have to. Me is a one girl army. Me never need a team. Me never need a team. Dummy, you're in no position to tell me to suck my mother. Because me never trouble you, but here what me gonna tell you now. This what me I do, I know hype this me again, because you can't.
Alright, my people, so we'll just watch a little bit more a blinga. I see anything more we can share with you know. You know what I mean? If not, alright, just so me I go end it. So we can watch some more.
Get it. You're not gonna get it. You will never get it. Don't you in him feelings and him hurt cause female girl fuck on him. We get that. Don't you somebody when me and him go back and forth every now and then. So we understand that. But dummy, you know. What me ever do to you, or how me ever trouble you, for you, I go tell me, go suck my mother and who left me and this, that, and the third. Dummy, let me tell you something. No boy never left me yet. Me never own that the boy there yet in a real life. Me, anything what me own, no girl can take him or nothing. I must death have to take him from me. Anything what me own. Now, dummy, me suck my mother and get milk. You suck your mother and get corruption. And the reason me know you suck your mother and get corruption is because you're evil. You're a woman beater. You abuse woman. But when me think when you did a born, your mother should just lock up her leg. Your mama should have just closed her leg. I don't know your mother, and I'm not going to tell you to go and suck your mother. But me sister, you look like a hype. It not go work, dummy. It better you stop. Dummy, nothing what you try don't work. Nothing. Me know you come for me for peace and the Clout still. But me just did have to say this. I'm going to say this and done. And me not answer you back. You're not in a position to tell me something, my mother. Me never, ever trouble you yet. Me not even ever run with your blood clot story. Because I just feel like, say, a fuckery, I just feel like the abuse of them, me not know with them. Certain case, me not touch. Certain case, me not touch. You know shame. You can't click a live by yourself and class somebody. What the fuck you class me for? First of all, me never trouble you. So what is for? Motherfucker, you won't get no hype, no clout after me. You have to go run and kiss Donia and 6 ass till you're weak. Dummy, you not reach. You not go blood clot reach because you go trouble blinga. Remember say, me on go review the cases them with the pan media. And I feel like say them get so toxic now. I feel like them get so toxic now. Must stop. Shelly, the boy try every blood clot thing. And the first man what me see, me no understand. Remember say uno a blood clot transmission, you know. U6 and Donia, you know. Remember uno a transmission, no reason. Remember say uno a transmission, uno no like woman. So how it go? You not get no iPad for me. Me not give you. Fuck off. And go away. You can't see a nice black princess like me and you come tell me if it's up my mother, I'm not trouble you. I wish it did hurt me, see? Because if it did hurt me, I skin out my body all game. You're too out of order. You're too rude. Stop it. And you can't click my life for me because guess what? You don't know nothing about me. That little police something they won't talk about a fuckery. I don't know that. So stop it. Stop it now. Stop it. All I ever did was try to help police. Remember now? And I did. I gave police a spotlight, a highlight, and a platform. That is it. That is it. I could have never have police as my man. I don't know how to take him. You're crazy. Oh, no, stop it. Stop it now.
Oh, me gone left that pussy wall, man. From your boy, me turn so dog. No boy no limit me and tell me about you can't this or you can't that. Have because you want, have a talk or you want. No, bro, go, you tell yourself that, bro. Tell yourself that, bro. I'm telling you in my head, bro. Tell yourself that, bro. Yeah, that's how you see when me hot, you can't. You see, that one of them pussy, most of them pussy, I pray me for song, or DJ mock them. Jeffrey sang an interview, cause them boy you feel like say if you not go link with them, you can't be nobody around ya. Rummage them and then shit in a plate ya. If you not them shit it up circle, you can't be nobody around ya. If you not link with them, you are nobody. They want I want ramp with me. Ramp with me, cause no say no ramp with me. Ramp with me. Ramp with somebody, ramp with me dog. No see me thing allow me and make me think. Make it move slow. Slow progress is better than no progress done at all. Here. How you mean if people know a gatekeeper them? But bro, when I try to tell you say we don't really have no gatekeeper. Your gatekeeping only start when you start rely upon them. Cause you see why you wait upon him, he might wait upon another man. And another man wait upon another man, another man wait upon another man, another man wait upon God. That's how it going on. While if you're just connected to God yourself, you reach the right away, you cut out the whole of them pussy wall, you know. If you just go to God, cause he might wait for him, he might wait for him, he might wait for him, and him and when he manifest with your God, I straight to God, me gone. Me gone straight to his source, bro. So I may swear say you alone and gatekeep yourself by feeling say yo you say this a man I never hear me come out here talk about that the man and strength and you never hear Shalom do that yet. The only thing me we burn them out and say them a hold me down. But otherwise you know why me say them a hold me down then see me I do me thing peacefully from. Cause none of them boy around them in the call and beg no strength. You know hear me tell you. For me see how them come in a call. Who me respect them just know say they respect different and they respect when me I respect them and I feel no strength. I feel know say yo you see your dog, you inspire me a lot me guru. I me love you for that. And when you tell me you not tell me no fuck great. I me love you for that. And not for beg your strength. None at all. Not even my parents them, not even my family me can't even call. Me never shoot a video, me never do a song, me never do nothing yet and call one of my friends and family and say dog, you know say more go voice, a studio more want studio fee, more go shoot me video, never from me there in the music. I don't sell me, I sell music. All of me song them, I put out a free video and me spend my own money there and do them. I me never yet call a boy or a girl or me not even people. Me not even talk about boy or girl. Cause me no reach this so. Me never yet call not even me not have a uncle. Me not have a bigger brother. I'm a bigger brother, I'm a bigger sister, but me not I'm the biggest one. Me not have nobody where me can call. Me not no producer, me not nobody in my phone. See right now, me bam bam video for drop. Right now today me delete every bumbo clout thing. Cause you know. I go link me one you know me say me call like me salt to pussy and I see him to me have to do. And I go pay me money for shoot over a full complete video cause me can't bother bro.